आज हम लोग पॉलिनोमियल्स चैप्टर के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। पॉलिनोमियल्स, so polynomials we will write this way: a0 x0, a1 x1, a2 x2 dot 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 an x के पावर n, where a is not equal to 0. Clear? a n not equal to 0. a कभी 0 नहीं. So according to types, linear polynomials are classified into different types. Polynomials are classified into different types. Linear equations. So here 10 linear polynomials given. So before linear polynomials, we will discuss about degree. What we will discuss? Degree. Suppose I am writing here ax plus b, then if I will ask what is the degree of x, then what is the degree of x here? 1. Okay, x का पावर कितना है हम पर? 1 है ना, तो उसका डिग्री भी क्या हो गया? 1. क्लियर है? एनी प्रॉब्लम?
नो सर.
यस. सो लीनियर इक्वेशन का जो फॉर्मेट चलेगा, जैसे पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू चलेगा ए एक्स प्लस बी, वेयर ए इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. और लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का डिग्री क्या होगा? एक्स का 1. क्लियर है?
यस सर.
सपोज इफ गिवन वन एग्जाम्पल इज one example here given 2x plus 5. What is the value of 2x plus 5? So if 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 2. This is your value. Any problem?
No sir.
Next, how to know linear polynomial? A polynomial algebraic expression in which their degree is 1. That polynomial is known as linear polynomials. So now we will discuss about quadratic polynomial. Quadratic. First of all, we will write quadratic polynomial in this way: ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic polynomial where a is not equal to 0. Look here, why we are saying it is quadratic polynomial? Because the power of x is here 2, means the degree of x here given 2. So this polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. This polynomial known as quadratic polynomial. Why we are saying this is the quadratic polynomial? Because the degree of x here 2, highest degree is 2 given, so it is quadratic polynomials. Any problem? Suppose examples we will write x square plus 2x plus 3. So this is your quadratic polynomial. Any problem?
No, sir.
Next we will discuss about cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. So the degree of cubic polynomial is 3. Linear polynomial degree is 1, quadratic 2, and cubic is 3. Clear? So how to be write? Px is equal to ax to power 3 bx square plus cx and d. Okay? Where a is not equal to 0. So this is the example. This is the format of cubic polynomial. This is the format of cubic polynomial. Any problem? Any problem?
No, sir.
This is the format of cubic polynomial. Example we will write. Any examples where degree is 3, then that is cubic polynomial. Suppose I am writing 4x to the power q 3x square 2x plus 5. It is cubic polynomial. If we will write another example, just like 4x cube plus 1, it is also cubic polynomial. Okay? Because the power of cube is must. This is the cubic polynomial. Next is biquadratic. Biquadratic polynomials. Biquadratics. The biquadratic polynomials degree is 4. Okay? Here the degree of x is 4. The degree of x is 4. Suppose we will write ax to the power 4 bx cube plus cx square dx plus e. Here a is not equal to 0. So this is the biquadratic. Any problem? Relations between the zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomials. Means we will discuss about relation between the zeros. So if the quadratic polynomials have degree 1, then the value of x is 1. If degree is 2, then value of x is 2. If degree 3, then value of x is 3. Okay, this way. So quadratic equations let alpha and beta are the two zeros. Two zeros. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, we will write in short form, alpha and beta both are the zeros. So both are 0 means x is equal to alpha, that means x minus alpha is equal to 0. Second, x is equal to beta, then x minus beta is equal to 0. Understood? First 0 is alpha, so x is equal to alpha, and second 0, x is equal to beta. So x minus alpha is equal to 0, x minus beta is equal to 0. Okay? So if we will multiply x minus alpha into x minus beta and constant k, we will multiply, then it will solve. Looks k here, x into x minus beta minus alpha into x minus beta. K x square minus alpha into beta, sorry, x into alpha beta, x into beta minus alpha into x plus alpha into beta. So we will solve k x square minus, here looks here x beta and x alpha. So we will take common and write alpha plus beta into x, and here alpha into beta, and here is your equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Here k is constant, k is equal to so this is your equivalence. So alpha plus beta looks here. Here x quadrant means here ax square given, bx c. So both are equal. Okay. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So you will ask how to write these equations equal to these equations. We will solve. Okay. Then here comes alpha into beta is equal to, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Okay. You write this way also. A x square plus bx plus c is equal to k x square alpha plus beta into x and plus a alpha into beta. So k is equal to a, and alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. We will got by this equal to according to coefficient we will compare, then it will got. Okay, thank you. Next class I will discuss examples and question answer. Okay, thank you.